Chicos, ¿cómo están? El día de hoy vamos a estar viendo acerca del uso de can and can't, ¿ok? Now pay attention, please. Grammar. In affirmative form, we use subject, look that, plus can, plus complement, okay? This is affirmative. Don't forget, subject, plus can, plus complement. In negative form, we use subject, plus can't, plus complement. Can plus not it's equal can't, okay? In interrogative form, we use can plus subject plus complement plus question mark. Don't forget. Repeat after me. Can, can't, can, can't. Very good. Continue. Affirmative sentences. My brother can play the piano. Repeat after me. My brother can play the piano. Next. Michael Phelps can swim very well. Michael Phelps can swim very well. The girl can ride a bike. The girl can ride a bike. Joseph can drive a car. Joseph can drive a car. The nurse can take care of the sick. The nurse can take care of the sick. Very good. Continue. The babies can't read. The babies can't read. Very good. He can't run 10 kilometers. He can't run 10 kilometers. The dogs can't speak. The dogs can't speak. Very good. Now we continue with the negative sentences. More negative sentences. I can't play the guitar. I can't play the guitar. You can't eat sweet. You can't eat sweet. He can't run very fast. He can't run very fast. We can't speak in class. We can't speak in class. The camera can't record good videos. The camera can record good videos. Now, interrogative sentences. Can dogs speak? Can dogs speak? Remember, we have two answers. No, they can't. Yes, they can. In this case, we use no, they can't. Another sentence. Can you come to my house tomorrow? Can you come to my house tomorrow? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can cats climb trees? Can cats climb trees? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Can we speak English? Can we speak English? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Can we speak English? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Very good, students. We use can or can to express permission to. We also use can or can't to ask for and give permission. For example, we have this sentence. Can I go to the toilet, please? Repeat after me. Can I go to the toilet, please? The answer, yes, you can. Another example. Can I speak to Homer Simpson, please? Repeat after me. Can I speak to Homer Simpson, please? No, you can't. He's sleeping at the moment. No, you can't. Now, we use for request. And we use can to ask somebody to do something. Can you please For example, can you close the door, please? ¿Puedes cerrar la puerta, por favor? Can you turn on the light, please? ¿Puedes prender la luz, por favor? Can you pass me some water, please? Okay, students, now you need practice at home. Thank you. Bye-bye.